Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to claim free domain and install WordPress on Hostinger. After buying hosting from Hostinger, when you log into your account, you will see a dashboard like this. If you see a different screen, simply click on the Hostinger logo and this main view will appear. Now we will claim a free domain and install WordPress on it. Click on the Websites tab in the menu, then click on Add New Website. You will now see some options. Select WordPress to install it. Now you need to enter some WordPress login detail. Select language, choose your preferred language, admin email address and create strong password. After filling in these details, click on next. You will now see two options, pre-built website and create website with AI. Do not choose these. Instead select create a blank site and continue. Now you can search for a domain name that you want for your website. If the domain is available, you will see a free tag. Select the domain and click on next. Now it will ask you why you are creating the website. Select your country, choose personal if the website is for yourself, or choose business if it's for a company. Click next to continue. Enter the following details like first name, last name, email address, province, city, address, zip code, and mobile number. After entering all the required information, click on Finish Registration. You may need to select your country again. If your country is not in the list, choose the nearest one. Click on Finish Installation. Now you will see that WordPress is installing on your domain. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, your WordPress admin panel will open. So now you can see our WordPress admin dashboard is ready. In this way, you can easily claim your free domain and install WordPress on Hostinger in just few simple steps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.